Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar. In last video we had started Roman numeral where we saw two rules for writing the Roman numeral. Today we will discuss more rules in this video. So let's start. So here we have rule number 3, rule of subtraction. Rule of subtraction. Point number 1, if a symbol of a smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. Let's see the example. Here we have two examples. Here I, V and X, C. X, C. Here you can see V is the higher value symbol and I is the smaller value symbol. So I is written just left of the higher value symbol. So in this case what we have to do, we have to subtract the smaller value symbol from the higher value symbol. So value of V 5 minus value of I 1. When we subtract from here we will get 4. The same way C is the higher value symbol and X is the smaller value symbol. So value of C 100 and value of X 10. Okay, when we subtract we will get 90. Understood? Now point number 2, the symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Okay, let's see the example. Here we have 95 and for that I have written here V, C. So according to point number 1, we can write VC because V is the smaller value symbol and C is the higher value symbol. So we can represent C 100 minus V 5. When we subtract we will get 95. But this is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because we are subtracting the value of V from C, and according to point number 2, it's clearly written here the symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. That's why this is wrong. Okay, instead we can write 95 as a XCV. XCV. Let's take XC first. C is the higher value symbol and X is the smaller value symbol. So value of X will be subtracted from C. So value of C 100 and value of X 10. So from here we'll get 90. Then value of B will be added. So 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Understood? So this is correct. Now point number 3, I, X and C are used to subtract. I, X and C are used to subtract. So there are just 6 combinations. Let's see. I, V. So value of V 5 and value of I 1. So we'll get 4 here. Okay. The value of L 50 and value of X 10. We'll get 40. So value of D 500 and value of C 100, will get 400. So value of X 10 and value of I 1 will get 9 here. So value of C 100 and value of X 10, 90. Value of M 1000 and value of C 100, 900. Understood? So I, X and C are used to subtract. So these are 6 combinations. Understood? Now rule number 4, if bar is placed over a numeral then it is multiplied by 1000. It is multiplied by 1000. As you can see on the screen, the bar is placed over a numeral V and X and the value became 5000 and 10,000. Let me show you. Value of V 5 and bar is placed over a numeral V, so it will multiply by 1000. Accordingly we'll get 5000. Understood? Now let's solve some example. So here we have the first example. M, C, M, X, 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 I. Okay, so first we will start from here. M, so value of M 1000, then Cm, value of Cm 1000 minus 100. C is the smaller value symbol and M is the higher value symbol. So value of C, here we are subtracting from value of M. So accordingly we will get 900. And X, 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 10 into 3 is equal to 30. X is repeating 3 times, that's why I multiplied here 10 into 3. Okay. Then I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. Now finally we have to add this. The 1000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 1, so is equal to 1931. Understood? Now example 2, here we have 3817. Write in Roman numeral. Write in Roman numeral. First we have to write in expanded form. As you can see on the screen, 3000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 7. So 3000 we can write M, 3 times M. Value of M 1000, and when we write 3 times, the value of M will multiply by 3. Then we will get 3000. Okay. Now 800 we can write D, C, C, C. Value of D 500 and value of C 100, and C is written here 3 times. So 100 into 3, 300 plus 500, 800. Now for 10, X 7, 5, 1, 1, 7. Okay. So this we can write M, 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 D, C, 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 X, V, I. This is the answer. This is how you can write the number in Roman numeral. I hope it is clear to you. So in this video we have seen rules for writing Roman numerals. I hope it is clear to you, and now you can solve the exercise. Thank you.